I'm all ready to make a few videos, and guess what happened? 750,000 views just happened. That's amazing, amazing. So I just wanted to jump on and say thank you so much for everyone that's been here. Thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, subscribing, leaving a kind and friendly comment, for all your questions. Thank you to my one-to-one clients for trusting me in this space with you, helping you with your Remarkables and your iPads. It's just incredibly awesome. I'm feeling like I have a lot to be grateful for at the moment because it's been a pretty tough year for me and our family. But to celebrate, there's a few things, right? We've got Christmas is coming up. We're on the back end of Black Friday. My Etsy shop has been reinstated. Thank you. And we've got 750,000 views on the channel. So I'm doing sales all the way through to Christmas Day. Presents for yourself, presents for others, whatever you like. So check out the sales on my website shop, which is wholeheartedmecollective.com. And then there's my Etsy shop, which is Wholehearted Me. I am feeling incredibly grateful. Thank you so much for being here with me. Thank you so much for all of your support. 750,000 views is awesome. So here's to 750,000 more. Let's make some more tutorials. Let's learn some more tech and let's have some fun together. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot and bye. Bye.